Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, back in the building with another video. And yo, check this out. We have a Bulova unboxing. Okay? Bulova, one of the greatest watch brands in the world. Okay? We got it going on. We're going to be unboxing the Precisionist. So, yo, get into it. And, yo, people, check this out. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. You know what I mean? Because we're going to be dropping this content all the time. You understand? So, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing Bulova Precisionist. All right? All right, good folks. Here we go. Let's go ahead and unbox this joint. Let y'all see what's going on with it. And here it is, people. The Precisionist Bulova. And this particular reference number, model number is 98B273. Ain't it beautiful? Take it out, take a good look at that, y'all. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Yeah. Two-tone. You know what I mean? Let's take this bullshit price tag up off of here. Let me see. Let me get it off. There we go. Come on. There we go. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. All right, throw that over there. Yo, ain't this beautiful? Y'all been wanting to go ahead and do this. You know what I mean? Look how smooth that is. Look at the case. Case back. You understand? That is a beautiful piece. Just look how the seconds hand is just sweeping across that black dial. Woo, boy. You know what I mean? The Precisionist timing to 1 to 1,000th of a second. 12-hour chronograph function. This Z is one of the world's most accurate movements. Accurate to within seconds a year. Precisionist class, resonator movement proven in laboratory testing to be 3 times more accurate than the standard quartz. Stainless steel case and bracelet. Curved mineral crystal. Yellow continuous sweeping second hand. Luminous hour markers. Calendar window. Tachymeter. Screw back, screw down crown. Water resistance of up to 300 meters. Yo, this is the bomb. This is the bomb, shiggity. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm gonna do now, right? I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna try him on the wrist right quick. Let y'all see how he look on the wrist. You know what I'm saying? You know what? Let me see something. Let me do that now, because I think I might need to take some links out of it. Let me see. Take off the Levon Aviator. Put him over there. And let's try on this Bulova. See how many links that I may have to take out of this joint. Okay. Probably about 4. Yeah. So let's go ahead and take them links out right quick. Y'all just stand by for a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and size this right now. Let's go ahead and get into the link sizing. This piece. Fell out. Where you go? Oh, there you go. Alright, cool. Scoot him to the side. We gonna take out 2 on this side. Alright. Damn. Come on. Give me no issues. Come on now. Come on now. 2. On that side, where's the... Oh, there it is. It's 2 on that side. And we're going to go ahead and do 2 on this side. All right. So out. All right, and then let's do that one here. And again, people, you know what? Get you a watch kit, please. Don't pay extra for what you could do for free, like what I'm doing right now. You know what I mean? Really. So, all right. If I could pick the pen up. Right. Go back around here. Throw that pen in here. Yep. So smooth, so smooth. All right, now we're gonna turn the camera around. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a perfect fit. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, let y'all see how it looks on the wrist. And here you go, people, how it looks on the wrist. Nice and snug. Ain't jingling around and all that shit. You know what I mean? Check that out. That's the new hotness. That's the hotness. Bulova, y'all. Precisionist. Alright? It's a hot, hot piece right here. You understand? Yo. And again, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. You know what I mean? Ross Wristwatch Love. We doing it big out here in these streets. You know what I mean? Once again, it's on, people. It's your boy P. Ross. And I'm out. You know what I'm saying? Peace. Precisionist. Bang. Right there for y'all. Peace.